Hello students, welcome to part 2 of our chapter cell. So today in this class we are going to do cell division, how are going to divide, different way of the cell to divide, and other is cell. The second topic which we are going to do is cell theory, and third part is cell undergo uncontrolled growth. What will happen? Let's start the class with the cell division. As we already know, a lot of cells daily undergo wear and tear. There is a repairing system in the body, और सेल हमेशा नए बनते रहते हैं. ओल्ड सेल give birth to the new cells. सेल नए प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल से नए सेल बनते हैं. सो वो कैसे बनते हैं? दिस इज डन बाय सेल डिवीजन. सेल डिवीजन दो तरह से होती है, माइटोसिस एंड मियोसिस. हमारी बॉडी में दो तरह के सेल होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज सोमैटिक सेल्स विच आर ऑल बॉडी सेल एक्सेप्ट जर्म सेल्स. जर्म सेल्स जहाँ जो गैमीट फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प करते हैं, दे आर दी जर्म सेल्स और सेक्स सेल्स. वहां पे मियोसिस होती है. अदर बॉडी पार्ट जो दूसरे बॉडी के सेल्स हैं विच आर कॉल्ड सोमैटिक सेल्स, वहां पे माइटोसिस होती है. So cell division is a process by which new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. It allows the living organism to grow, repair damaged tissue, and reproduce. Some cells, such as skin cell, divide continuously to replace the cells that are lost regularly. So there are two major types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is important for normal growth, repair, maintenance, or asexual reproduction. So during normal body cells में, which are called somatic cells, and in asexual organism, ये जो cell division होती है, that is through mitosis. Whereas meiosis important है sexual reproduction के. Mitosis में क्या होता है? एक single cell, you are going to see this is a single cell, डिवाइड होता है टू डॉटर सेल में. इस सेल का जो है 2n नंबर, the number remains the same. 2n is remained same 2n. So diploid number maintained and two daughter cells are formed, and the cells have the exact genetic material as their parent cell is having. So every human begins life as a single fertilized egg. This one cell divides repeatedly to form trillions of cells in the body. Cell increase in number through mitosis, which is most common type of cell division. Mitosis produce genetically identical daughter cells. Identical daughter cells, yes. So from one parent, each new cell get the same DNA and same number of chromosome. As you seen कि 2n number is maintained. These daughter cells have the same 2n number as their parent cell is having. So this ensures the genetic information is maintained across the body. Whereas in meiosis, this type of division occur only in the germ cell. तो यहाँ पे दो तरह की डिवीजन होती है. फर्स्ट इज meiosis 1, जिसमें क्रोमोसोम नंबर हाफ हो जाता है. यू आर गोइंग टू सी n. तो उसके बाद सेम माइटोसिस का डिवीजन होता है, 4 हैप्लॉइड. सी आफ्टर meiosis we are getting 4 हैप्लॉइड डॉटर सेल. इनिशियली पेरेंट सेल कौन सा है? डिप्लॉइड. जो daughter cells are, they are 4 haploid. You are going to see that chromosome number is half. So this is called reductional division. Whereas mitosis, as the chromosome number is maintained 2n 2n, so it is called equational division. Yes, meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division that produce gametes and occur only in the cells of reproductive organs. Gamete produced for sexual reproduction create variation and diversity among the living organism. Therefore, children resemble their parent, but they are not exactly the same. There are some variation in the children. So, in animal, including human, meiosis occur in the cells of testes of male to produce sperm and ovaries of female to produce egg. In plants, it occur in the anthers and the ovaries. So, in meiosis, parent cell divide twice. See, it divides twice, one after another, to form four daughter cells. So during first division, the cell divide in two daughter cell. The cell divide in the two daughter cells. Yes, and the number of chromosome in each daughter cell is reduced. And in the second division, this is similar to mitosis, where each daughter cell divide into two, thus forming four daughter cells with the half the number of chromosome. With half number of chromosome. So as a result, each gamete has half the number of DNA as compared to their parent cell. So during fertilization, when these gametes two individual combine, so they, then original chromosome number is restored. So like this N from the female and from the sperm and ova and sperm, they combine after fertilization. They are going to maintain the 2n number. So this is restored, or so they restored the original number. So by this way, original number 2n is restored. So we have just studied two type of cell division. One is and the process of mitosis and meiosis occur in a very proper and controlled way. See, if meiosis and mitosis do not happen properly, if any error during the, this process cell division occur, this lead to uncontrolled cell division. If I'm talking about mitosis, it will be, lead to the formation of tumor or abnormal number of chromosome in the body. So even meiosis, as I already told you, ये germ cell में होता है during gamete formation. So this can, lead to genetic disorder. So faulty meiosis may also cause early pregnancy loss and reduced fertility. So these things happen in a highly controlled way. Now come to cell theory, the unified principle of biology. So all living organisms, scientists has observed, are made up of cell. तो सबसे पहले German botanist named Schleiden in 1838, along with the German zoologist in 1839. They worked as Schwann, and they, combinedly along with the, they have given cell theory. So later in 1855, a German scientist, Rudolf Virchow, further expanded that cell theory, which, state that the cells are formed only from the pre-existing cells. So together their work lead to the formulation of cell theory. Now, what are the points of the cell theory? There are 3 points. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells, first point. And the cell is the basic structural and functional, unit function in the living beings. All cell, third point, arise from the pre-existing cells. So this unified all biology from bacteria to human and explains life's continuity through the cell division. Now we just had studied mitosis and meiosis, and they occur, they happen. So this cell division is done in a very controlled way, in a very proper way. So what happen if they will, lose their control? In uncontrolled way, this cell division happen. So they will lead to tumors. So let's study then. Do cells grow and reproduce forever? No, they have a, self-life. They have a lifespan. So cells grow and divide in a controlled way, stay in the right place, carry out their function, and eventually die when they are no longer needed. See, every cell of our body has a lifespan. So dead cells are replaced by the new cell that carry out the same function. Thus, every cell has a definite lifespan. So, every cell has a definite lifespan. They are not able to grow uncontrolled. If they do so, they will cause tumor. So, in many animals, cell division usually stop when cell come in contact with the neighboring cells. This process is called contact inhibition. So, however, cancer cell lose their control and keep divide uncontrollably and leading to the formation of tumor. If uncontrolled grow, they will grow uncontrollable, so they are going to cause tumor. Plant cell grow differently due to their rigid cell wall. Plant cell do not show contact inhibition. It is shown only in the animal cell. And see, they follow, this plant cell follow different pattern of growth. Even though cells are extremely tiny, they perform remarkable function. They produce energy, synthesize, secrete substance, divide to form new cell, and work together to maintain a proper functioning of the body. Every living being, from a tiny bacterium to giant tree, is made up of cell. You are one of the product of these hardworking cell. So see how beautifully, see, cell is like how they are doing teamwork entirely. So how do cell monitor their growth to maintain a balance? So cell have a natural way of dying to maintain a balance. This is called program cell death. PCD is a genetically regulated and organized process of selective cell destruction. It is essential for normal development, cellular quality control, and immune function. When embryo develop, the PCD help form finger by eliminating cell between the digit. Without it would have a webbed hands. So explore different way of by which cell maintain themselves. So cells, yes, cell do teamwork very beautifully. The function and the system, entire system is is working in coordination with each other. Thank you. So, like cells, let's work together and learn this subject in a beautiful manner. Thank you so much.